In this article we will look at some health benefits of using Ophiopogon roots, primarily its benefits for skin, insomnia, heart, skin, diabetes, bronchitis, sore throat, and acid reflux. Ophiopogon is a grass-like plant that grows in warm regions. The tuberous roots of Ophiopogon are used for many medicinal purposes, and so it is also called as the elixir. During summertime these roots of Ophiopogon are washed, cleaned, and dried in the sun. Once these roots are dried, then it is used in herbal preparations and can be consumed as it is sweet and slightly bitter in flavor. The powder out of Ophiopogon root extract has been traditionally used in the Chinese medicine for decades. It is primarily used for its medicinal properties that are beneficial for stomach, lungs, and heart. Some of the top ingredients in this herb are stigmasterol, mucilage, saponins, carotenoids, steroidal saponins, and sugar. In Chinese traditional medicine it is used in treatment of constipation as it moistens the bowel, strengthening of stomach function, and moistening of lungs. This condition affects an individual's sleep pattern, thereby causing sleep disturbance which can lead to anxiety and depression if it is left untreated. Ophiopogon roots are very useful in treating sleep disorders because the sedative properties in this herb helps in relaxing the body and mind, which in turn will help the individual to have a sound sleep. Heart attack and stroke is one of the biggest threats to mankind's health, and so it is very important to have a good heart health. Ophiopogon herb helps in improving the heart function by controlling the blood pressure and soothing the heart. Good skincare is essential for boosting self-esteem and increasing confidence in an individual. The root of this herb has the ability to penetrate deep into the skin, and so it is an excellent way to moisturize dry and itchy skin. It can also be used to retain the skin's elasticity, clarity, and soothe the skin from skin diseases such as eczema. Acid reflux occurs when the acid from the stomach flows back into the food pipe, causing heartburn and chest pain. Consuming the herb helps in soothing the stomach and prevents acidity and gastric reflux. This is caused due to infections such as cold and flu, and can be very irritating as it tends to interfere in one's daily routine, making it very difficult to eat, drink, and even swallow. Ophiopogon helps in soothing and moistening the throat. Thus, it prevents and treats sore throat by reducing the infection. Hormonal imbalance can happen when the endocrine glands do not function properly, due to which the hormones are unable to travel through the bloodstream to the organs and tissues. Hormone plays a major role in the functioning of the body, and so it is important that the hormones are balanced. Ophiopogon roots have cooling properties which helps in regulating hormones and stabilizing emotions which can otherwise be a cause of irritation. If the insulin level is not balanced in the body, then there are high chances of one becoming diabetic. Diabetes occurs when there are high blood glucose levels. Ophiopogon roots are made in the form of pills which can be taken orally, and it helps in reducing blood glucose levels by slowing down the digestion of starches into simple sugar in order to treat diabetes. Aging is a natural process. Aging starts when there is cell death, because as we age the body's ability to create new cells starts declining and thereby causing cells death. This process of aging cannot be stopped, but to some extent it can be delayed, and applying Ophiopogon roots is an excellent way to delay the aging process. Using this herb regularly can make an individual healthy and look young. Bronchitis is a congestion in the lungs which makes it difficult to breathe. In this condition the bronchial tubes get infected and inflamed, preventing the air to flow through the tubes, and it triggers cough and wheezing. This herbal medicine is used to treat bronchitis as it helps in calming the respiratory system, reducing the inflammation and allowing the air to flow. This herb is also good for people who are exposed to heat and smoke, as it helps in cooling the lungs. The juice extracted from Ophiopogon roots is a perfect medicine to stop nose bleeding. Even a decoction made from these roots is a marvelous way for treating bleeding gums. Ophiopogon herb has numerous benefits as well as very few side effects. If it is consumed in large quantities, it could have some side effects. If you are suffering from cold, then it is better to avoid it or use it sparingly. In case of spleen problem, it is better to avoid the herb or consult doctor before taking it. Too much usage of the herb could also lead to diarrhea. It does not pose serious side effects if taken as prescribed or in limited doses. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to my channel, which I update on a regular basis. Thank you for watching.